Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of Traeger's Flatrock flat top grill with AmazingRibs.com's Husky Lions. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here's the Traeger Flatrock flat top grill. It's actually a griddle. Good looking and built solid. Press here to ignite the gas burners. The row of small lights to the left show the LP fuel tank level. Flatrock has Traeger's new pop and lock rail that wraps around the unit and lets you snap on various optional accessories like tool hooks and towel racks wherever you like. These side shelves fold down. Let's take a gander at the carbon steel cooktop. You see the control knobs for the 3 burners. Keep the hinged lid up when cooking. It's just meant to protect the cook surface from the elements. Scrape all the grease and gunk down here. There's handles on each side to help lift this heavy griddle. All the grease goes into this removable bucket for easy disposal. Your LP gas tank hangs on a hook above that curved arm. Flatrock has a scale that estimates fuel level by tank weight. There are casters on each of the 4 legs. And that's about it. Let's get to griddling. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.